Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Thursday. Happy level 2. Only 2 more days of online learning before we can come back to school. So, my joke for the day is, what do you call a dog with no legs? And the answer is, it really doesn't matter because he's not coming. So, my activities for the day, we'll start with writing. Remember, you've got your narrative slide again. So, by now, you should have done your narrative and your personification, and you should be up to this last slide. So you need to think of your own setting and then describe it using the senses. So describe what you would smell in your setting, what you would hear. So the 5 senses, there's actually 6 here because we've got feel twice, feeling inside and outside. And then once you've finished this table with your own setting, you do a short poem explaining your setting and then you add it to the class slide. I think the copy you have should still have the Room 17 slide there. But if it doesn't, I have added a link here on the writing slide, and there's also another link on the spreadsheet up here. So there's a few ways you can find that. And then, after you've done writing, moving on to reading, you just need to read these articles here, these websites, and then based off these websites, you need to imagine what everyday life might have been like 400 years ago in England. Think about things such as food, clothes, entertainment, and school for the rich and poor. And then you're writing your findings, answering these questions down here. So, yeah, and then note this bit's important. This is the same as your inquiry task, so you don't need to do it twice. So you can actually just do it straight on the inquiry slide. That would be much easier. And then after that, you have maths. We're continuing with that same timetable sheet, but you've got different questions this time. So this time you need to complete questions 2 and 3. Questions 2 and 3 you'll find on the second page. So more work on timetables. And then after that you have inquiry, but as that was the same as the reading, if you've already done it, you can use this time to catch up on any work you haven't finished in the rest of the week. Or if you have finished work, just move on to handwriting. So handwriting, there's another video from Mrs. Franklin. So you just follow along with that, it's really clear. Do that in your handwriting book or on a piece of paper if you didn't take your book home. And then after that, remember to practice your spelling words for the test tomorrow. And then after that, you have fitness. Remember there's this fitness slide here again, but you could do something else if you want to. So there's no Zoom meeting today. We'll have our last one tomorrow. Just email me if you have any questions. Have a good day. See you guys.